Many Android users forget game mode or game booster. Many Android phones today come with a built-in game mode like Game Turbo in Xiaomi, Game Launcher on Samsung, Game Space on Realme, Game Mode on Infinix or Tecno. Once you enable it, it automatically boosts CPU and GPU performance, close background apps, and blocks notifications so your game runs smooth and without lag. Hi gamers, have you having lag problems when you are playing Android games? Maybe GTA, Call of Duty, Free Fire, PUBG, or even old games like Modern Combat. Don't worry, in this video I will show you step by step how to reduce lag and make your game run smoothly. No matter what kind of phone you are using, just following the tricks and your device will feel brand new. Before we jump into the tricks, let's understand why Android games lag in the first place. Game lag happens when your phone can't keep up with the game's performance demand. So this can be caused by several reasons. First, weak or overheat processor. Every game depends on your processor and graphics clip. Too hot or running in battery safe mode, the CPU slow down and your FPS drop. Second, too many background apps. Social media app updating in running background, eat up RAM and internet speed that leaves less power of your game. Third, poor network connection for online games. If your ping is high or unusable, your shot will delay or your character will teleport. That is called network lag. Fourth, storage nearly full. When your phone internal storage is almost full, your phone cannot load textures or assets smoothly. You will see frame drops or long loading times. Fifth, look off optimization. Some Android games are not well optimized for all chipset. That is why a game may run fine on one phone but lag on another, and even with similar space. Now let's get into the list. Tricks number 1, virtual RAM and phone cleaner. Many phones today come with a feature called memory extension, virtual RAM or RAM expansion. It sounds powerful, but it actually doesn't help gaming performance. Make sure to turn it off and leave with your real RAM. Use optimizer apps like CC Cleaner or use your phone cleaner like Phone Master to remove the junk files, killing unknown source or viruses for smooth gameplay. Tricks number 2, disable auto update and turn on do not disturb. Go to Play Store, settings, scroll and turn off auto update apps. Go to settings, search for do not disturb, turn it on. At this time when you are playing game, no more notification from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. cause around lag. Tricks number 3, the biggest one. Many Android users forget game mode or game booster. Many Android phones today come with a built-in game mode like Game Turbo in Xiaomi, Game Launcher on Samsung, Game Space on Realme, Game Mode on Infinix or Tecno. Once you enable it, it automatically boosts CPU and GPU performance, close background apps and blocks notifications so your game runs smooth and without lag. You can find it by opening your settings, search for tools or search game mode or game booster. Turn it on or enable it. Inside the game mode menu, you can add your own favorite game and turn on performance mode. Some boosters even let you control the network priority, screen sensitivity, temperature management. So if your game lag or frame drops, turn on game mode before launching the game. Can make a big difference and it is completely free. Tricks number 4, low graphics settings. Inside most games, settings, graphics, select low or minimum high quality, reduce resolution or turn off shadows. Let me give you one more example. Like PUBG, GTA, Modern Combat can run more smooth when graphics are reduced. So it is better to play smooth on low graphics than lag on high graphics. So that is all. If you follow these steps, clearing background apps, lowering graphics, boosting performance mode, and keep your phone cool, your game will run much better. Try it out and let me know in the comment which tricks work best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want more Android gaming guide, and see you in the next one.